Hi, good morning, all of you. How are you? I hope you are doing well. How are you all? Good morning, dear. Good morning, Shweta, Rafia, Navya, Chandana, Tejashwini, Prakriti, and Bindushri, Nisarga. All of you, good morning. How are you all? Right, I hope you are doing well. And have you seen what's happening? Anyway, we are studying diseases only. We are seeing the major disease which is spreading outside in Bangalore. I am fine here. I never go out of the house. Sitting and sealed in the house almost. So you should do that same thing. Seal yourself in the house. House sealing is required now, right? And as possible, you can fumigate your house also. Fumigate, no? Some vapor, the steam and all. You can, like if you have dhupa and all, you put the dhupa. Dhupa ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ infections ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. It's safe to stay at home is from long 3 months. But what is important is the people who are roaming around your house may release the virus. Therefore, you keep yourself always safe by taking the steam. Are you taking steam every day, 2 to 3 times? Steam? Are you taking it? Yes, you should do. And drink hot water. Hot water you drink, not like hot and cold water. After making it boil, don't make it totally cold. You drink it like tea, sipping it like a tea. Okay? So this is very important for all of us right now. Jaan hai to jahan hai, I am telling you. Our Prime Minister told, right? Jaan hai to jahan hai andre na. Jeeva idre ella jagattide anta namge. Right? Jeevavanna uliskolli. Jeevavanna chennage kaapadkolli. So that's what we are. That is the only mantra for us. Right? Don't worry about other things. We are anyway happily doing the classes. Chapters are going very much ahead. Don't worry about the subject. We will do everything neatly, and nowadays we are doing in more depth. I hope you understood. Have you understood? Nowadays, when I'm doing it in the class through this Zoom, we are doing it in details because we are not getting disturbed. I'm not getting disturbed, right? And even you are not getting disturbed. If you put some your things or directly are watching, you are undisturbed. That's what is required for the study and learning. Okay, done. So yesterday we talked about the amoebiasis. I hope you remember. We spoke about amoebiasis. So the two protozoal diseases we discussed, malaria and amoebic dysentery, right? Two things. Another one I told you, amoebiasis, that is pyorrhea also is amoebic problem only. Pyorrhea hurt in the mouth, gums, the amoeba will grow. That is pyorrhea, because the pyorrhea. That's a different one, but anyway, we're not studying that. It is not there for your NCERT syllabus. We are not I just touched the chapter. We will now move on to the next one. There's a diseases through nematoda. Nematodes means Ascalminthus, right? What we have Ascalminthus? That is roundworms and the filarial worms. Two things we are learning. Okay. So let me give you the two diseases. One is by Ascaris lumbricoides, another one is Wuchereria bancrofti. Two diseases we are going to discuss about the nematodal diseases. Okay. Now you tell me, have you seen anybody or you have ever got roundworms in your stomach? Anytime you have got roundworms in your body? Did you have that infection? Think about it. If you had it, you tell me. No, ma'am. Oh, very good. When we were kids, we used to have it very much, right? Remember, don't have to lie. And moreover, you people eat so much outside, you are more prone to infections. You know that. You eat all the time outside pani puri and all, you will not be knowing also. So many times, the pathogen remains in you without your notice. You don't even know that you have it. Slight stomach pain happens. That means there's something wrong with your stomach. Or in the intestine, they will multiply in the small intestine, right? Small intestine, the large intestine, they will multiply in the large intestine, or in the intestine, long intestine, they will grow, right? Fine then. So let's now talk about the Ascarias. So very good, you people are very healthy then. We were not healthy. We used to, when we were babies and all, kids and all, we used to be left in the house, outside, on the ground, Eating all soil, that's why you get the disease. You know that. Children will eat soil, no? Soil, it's very tasty for them, including we people when we were babies and all. We used to eat when we used to go to the fields and all. Fields and all, we were in a village. Fields, if we go, lot of nice soil was available, eating all that like a food. We used to do that. So when we were babies, we suffered a lot from all these roundworms and other things, right? Now we are very hygienic and I have studied more about it. So now I have learned all this. But when we were babies and all, hardly we know. Mummy and all used to squat, but still without in their absence, we used to eat nice soil. Like almost food like mama we used to eat. You know that? We used to do that when we were very, very children, small children, no? We had no idea, but we had suffered. Everybody will suffer from that, right? There's nothing wrong when you have suffered. Now, once you get the knowledge, enough, no? You need not much get shameful about the disease. Do you know that? Understand that, right? So fine then. So let's not talk about the roundworm disease. Not a so happy disease, but anyway, I'm feeling happy that you people are reacting so well, and you are also intelligent. You are doing well also in the examination. Okay, done well. So let's begin with the first disease, that is ascariasis. It's so scary, right, to talk about ascariasis. Okay, so let us talk about the disease. So not all these diseases, this I wrote it for something else. So let us now talk about the disease called the nematodal disease. All these things I am giving you about the nematodal diseases. Diseases in man. Right? One of them, first one is ascariasis. Ascariasis is caused by, what is the name? Cause, it is called Ascaris lumbricoides. Lumbricoides. It is called Ascaris lumbricoides, right? So coming to the Ascaris, how it is? So how you get the ascariasis in you? So first of all, it is transmission. How it transmits? It is through the contaminated soil. It will be there in soil. In the soil, you get eggs of this, right? That too, eggs are there because of the fecal matter. Fecus of the infected person will be contaminated with eggs, right? When the children eat that, they will get it. Not I mean, kids will eat as soil, I don't know that even. That's a one thing. Second thing is, these cockroaches you have seen, I think. Cockroaches, they live everywhere, they move, they come out from the sewage only. No? They come and sit on your foot. They bring a lot of eggs. Okay, these cockroaches bring the eggs of Ascaris, right? And next is, you know that houseflies. Housefly also will bring the eggs. So mainly it enters our body through the eggs only. Eggs will contaminated food we will eat or drink the contaminated water, right? So whenever it is egg, it has a thick shell. So therefore it will not show any type of, it will not be killed by the hydrochloric acid in our stomach. It will directly go to the intestine, and intestine will multiply, it will elongate. So in the intestine, so I'm talking about in the intestine, what happens? They will hatch. These eggs will be there inside. They will hatch and they release the worms outside. These are worm. Number of worms, number of eggs will be broken down. These worms will come out, small worms, right? They'll be there in the intestine. And suppose this is our intestine. You must be knowing this is our small intestine. They will be multiplying in the intestine. They will grow big like this. And they will only become males and female. They will populate here. They will undergo mating. And they form a nice bundle and stay all over here. The children will stay. That is their home. And humans are the only host for them. In the intestine, they will grow. They will be nicely forming one bundle. They will be there throughout the intestine. Right? And after mating, they produce eggs. No? These eggs will be defecated through the fecal matter. Whenever the human man produces the fecal matter, these eggs are released. They will go and mix with the soil. Again, this soil will be eaten by children or any type of the vegetables grown here, like carrot, radish and all. They, if they are not properly washed, you will be eating them directly. Then they will multiply again, egg will continue to multiply. This is a very bad thing. right? Because you don't even know, sometimes they will not even notice that there is infection. So this is how it will multiply and again continue. So how do you understand there is a worm in your or the ascaris present in your intestine? First thing is stomach will start paining because they don't have anything to suck or hold anything. They'll be simply sitting like this in the intestine. And what happens is they will be eating with their mouth only. They'll be opening your food and all, they'll eat directly, right? They'll get digested food, ready-made food for them. Then they will happily multiply and you will look very anemic. You get stomach ache, pinning thing. You feel there's some pinching thing happening in the stomach. Not stomach, actually below the stomach, abdominal pain you get. So this is about the ascariasis, very scary disease it is actually, right? So coming to this, let us now talk about this. Okay, did you understand? I showed you that on the board. Ascaris lumbricoides is how it is. It's a long one actually. They will be around 20 to 40 centimeters in size. So long, 20 to 40 centimeters, so big enough. So big, the whole intestine they form one bundle. They live there happily. And they will be having nice food and all ready-made you're eating, it will be having. So what happens is initially you will not get any much symptoms, just some stomach ache you get. You may mistake it for something like gastritis or something like you have had acidity and all, but actually it's not that. After some time, they consume all your food and you become weak and you become anemic. Sometimes they will erode the complete wall of the intestine, right? Sometimes they will penetrate and come out in the body fluids. Therefore, that is very deadly problematic thing. Deadly disease it is. Ascariasis, it's very common in villagers because you know already. Villagers are common again in villages. Let me know why it is common in villages. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ ಯಾಕೆ ವಿಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಆಚೆ ತಿನ್ನೋರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You know that poor sanitation, and even they have the toilets which are not underground or they are not connected to the underground tanks. They will have one box kept in the toilets. When the fecal matter passes, somebody will carry that and throw it somewhere. This is so very bad thing, right? So this is what is happening in the villages. Actually, in India, they say village life is nice and all, but a lot of problems with this because sanitation is very poor. Everywhere outside only the sanitary things will be going around. In one area, all these pigs will be growing and there will be open defecation. And even toilets are there also, they will open it and they'll leave it openly. Open toilet things, right? No good maintenance of washrooms. Yeah, correct. No open defecation. This is all we told, no? Modi ji tells na, jahan soch hai wahan shauchalaya hai anta. Kelidralla, jahan soch hai wahan shauchalaya andre ಏನು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ, right? Suppose somebody visits your house may be chincha clean, but if your toilets are not maintained well, means you are ganda people. Are you getting it? Understanding it? This is what is unhygienic condition. So from the day one, I'm telling you, you have to maintain properly, clean your toilets clearly, maintain hygiene and all. Are you doing it now? Nowadays it's very clean. Yes. Anyway, washing hands and all is not a problem. We all know that. We all know that you are all educated. You will wash your hands and all very clearly. But maintaining toilets is not your mummy's or workers' work. Yes, you have work. Your toilet you should clean. Okay? Somebody you are not going to clean. Your own house, your own thing, you are doing it very well. Fine? So you are going to follow all that. Right? So ascariasis is a real problematic disease which is common in open, not only open shauchalaya. Along with that, one more thing is if you are not eating the food without scraping the roots and all, we are getting sweet potatoes, all that, you can see some black dots on that, right? Carrot, radish, sun dots and scrape ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Not just washing like this with water. No, it will not work. You have to scrape, take the scraper and scrape the upper surface. One layer ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣ exit. If you have a microscope, I know, I kept one microscope and one lens with me. Always I'll watch them like this, you know. Everybody will be making fun of me at home. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು biological ಪಾಠ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. But that is required, you know. Okay, people may say 100 things. Our health is our health, our happiness is our happiness. No? health idre happiness irutte, right? So always keep studying, writing exam, you'll do it. What about maintaining health? That is in your hands, right? Because you are learning also same thing, you are living the life in this good fashion. That's why you will have to maintain all this properly. Are you getting it? Right. Write the heading: nematodal diseases in humans. Due to unavailability of pure drinking water. Yeah, you can see the villagers, Subhash, correct. इन विलेज ना जब आप जाते हो ना विलेज में, उधर जो पानी रहता है ना रिवर्स में, वैसा ही वही लेके आते हैं। बहुत से लोग टॉयलेट भी उधर ही जाते हैं, क्लीन भी उधर ही करते हैं, वो सब पानी में चला जाता है। वो पानी आप पिएंगे तो आपको भी आएगा ना सुभाष, इसीलिए अच्छा वाला पानी भी चाहिए। You should have a good drinking water, isn't it? Right? You people have to maintain it. I told in Hindi because Subhash will not understand much of the Kannada and all. That's why I told it in little Hindi. I'm not very good at Hindi, but anyway, Subhash will understand, I think. Did you understand, Subhash? राइट जब आप जाते हो ना विलेजेस को, लोगों को ना आपको नॉलेज देना, ये सब गंदा करना नहीं चाहिए, इतना अच्छा रखना चाहिए, ये सब आपके हाथों में है। आप जब पढ़ के जाते हो ना, लोगों को आपसे बहुत उम्मीद रहती है। You will have to really give some time to all the people. Social thinking, do it, tell them this is wrong. Children and all, they are left in the outside. Okay, they'll be doing anything, they'll be eating like this and all, right? Avoid all that, right? Because everyone's health is important. No, nowadays you are worried about, nowadays at least people got to know that use mask. Otherwise the people used to use mask and the people used to make fun of them earlier, right? Now you use mask, with if you are not using mask you will get punished. Not only that, you should have some awareness. Because of punishment you don't wear. I seen people wearing mask like this in front of police, then again they will open it like this, right? Have you seen people doing that? I have observed. Everybody, whenever they want to use the mask, they will use it, put it like this, half the way, like this. And whenever police is not there, they will open it like this. They put it, hang it to the neck, right? This is not true. This is not good. You people are not really doing anything for yourself. Because government is saying you are doing, because police are obstructing, you are doing it. What about your health? Yeah, you are not worried about your own health only. Okay, so worry about your health. Think about your health, right? And give knowledge to the people. Write the heading: nematodal diseases in man. Are you writing? Okay, write down. First one, ascariasis. Cause barkondra. Subhash, did you write proper? Rushendra is not there. Eh? Rushendra is there in the group. I hope so. He should be there. And Chaitra, I'm not seeing. And so many children I'm not watching here. Okay. Rushendra is there. Subhash, you know about Rushendra. Maybe Sanjay is there, I know. Sanjay is there. I'm observing here. How many are there? Aditi, Akshita, Bhumika, Chaitanya, Chandana, Chinmayi, Deepika, Diksha, Prakriti, Ganami, Harshita, okay, Jeevani, Janani, Jyotsna, Kirtana, Prakriti, Kaushik Gowda, Lilavati, Likhit Gowda, Manasvi, Maulya, Naveen, Nitishwar, Pavitra, Prabha, Pratham, Prithvik, Rakshita, Rufia, Rumana, Samisha, Samyak, Sanjay, good. So many are there. Some are not available, some are not seen. Okay. No, ma'am, Rushendra is absent. Very good. Where he has gone to become absent. So he is not going to write the exam of it. Right? You should have everybody. They should be there. No? Okay, right on. Ascariasis caused by, if you want, I'll show you the spelling again. I had written it on the board. You know the spelling or not? Ascaris lumbricoides. Spelling correct. Ascaris. Lumbricoides. Lumbricoides. Ascaris lumbricoides. 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 Bharadra. Right on. Right on. Ascaris is caused by the roundworm that enters the human body that enters the human body through contaminated food and water. Through contaminated food and water. Contaminated food and water. Puran idana? Where is Puran? Puran, are you there? Puran is there. Puran is there. He is there. You are there. Okay, fine. Right there. So next you write. What you written? It enters to the contaminated food and water. Next you write. Normally, roundworm enters in the form of eggs. Roundworm enters in the form of eggs and is not digested in the stomach by gastric juice and are not digested by the gastric juice in stomach. Gastric juice in stomach. Okay. Next, right? Life history of Ascaris. Salpa life history bariyana. First one. Ascaris eggs. Ascaris eggs enter through food and water. Eggs enter through food and water. Mostly children are more infected by these. Children are more infected by these. As they consume soil while playing. Consume soil while playing. I want to make more light here. Do you see light here? As they consume soil while playing. Next, eggs enter the intestine of humans within few hours. Eggs enter the intestine of humans in few hours. And they get hatched. Hatched and open up agutte. The eggs get hatched. Later they grow into adult worms. And the time taken to become well-grown adult. And the time taken to become well-grown adult is 2 to 2.5 months. Time taken to grow into adult is 2 to 2.5 months. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2.5 ತಿಂಗಳೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Ascaris has the long, slender body. Ascaris has a long, slender body with both ends tapering. Are you writing? With both the ends tapering. With both the ends tapering. A fully grown Ascaris measures around 20 to 40 centimeters. A fully grown Ascaris measures around 20 to 40 centimeters. Are you writing? Because you're not even asking me to repeat or something like that. Do you want the notes or not want? Don't want. You want it or not? Otherwise, I'll just go ahead. You want, Prabha? You want. Okay, fine. Fine. You want. Okay, I'll do. I'm leaving. Repeat the last point. I'm repeating, Sanjay. I said the fully grown roundworm measures 20 to 40 centimeters. ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ 20 ರಿಂದ 40 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ ಉದ್ದ 20 to 40 centimeters. Next point, male and female Ascaris mate. Male and female Ascaris mate within the intestine. Male and female Ascaris mate within the intestine and produce eggs. The bracket female will produce eggs. Produce eggs. Next, eggs are released outside during defecation. Outside during defecation. Defecation, right? While passing the stools. Defecation. Such eggs can live in soil. Such eggs can live in soil alive. Alive ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬದುಕೊಂಡೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Alive for around few years. ಒಂದಿನಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ದಿನಲ್ಲ ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ eggs. They live in the soil for several years. Several years. Next, mode of transmission. Mode of transmission. First one, eggs are carried to the healthy man through cockroaches. Eggs are carried to healthy man through cockroaches, houseflies, contaminated water, contaminated drinking water, and the vegetables. Next, symptoms of ascariasis. Symptoms of ascariasis. Light infection of ascaris. Does not show any effect. But during heavy infections, intestinal mucosa is eroded. Intestinal mucosa, the intestinal wall intestinal mucosa get eroded. Eroded ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. Get eroded. Get eroded. It results in severe colic pain. Colic pain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Colic pain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಮುರಿದಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಡಿದಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Colic pain results in severe colic pain. Colic pain of abdomen ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಡಿದಂಗ. Colic pain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸುತ್ತಿದಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಡಿದಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Did you get it? Colic pain. COLIC, colic pain. COLIC, colic ಅಂದ್ರೆ colon pain ಅಂತ. Colic pain ಅಂತ. Did I spell it? Colic, COLIC. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವುತ್ತಮ್ಮ, ಕಚ್ಚಿದಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುರಿದಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಡಿದಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ they will ask you whether you have got colic pain or is it a pinching pain or is it somewhat gastric pain. ಬಡ ಅನ್ನತ್ತ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ. Okay, they will ask. What is that Zara? That's what I'm saying, no? Spelling is COLIC, colic pain. What Zara you want? Is that the thing you wanted? Okay, fine. Colic pain, abdominal colic pain. Vinella 2 mark ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Next. The toxins produced by the parasite cause irritation. As the pathogen blocks the intestine, it stops defecation or it blocks defecation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೀಕಸ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಫೀಕಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It stops defecation. Prolonged infection may cause death. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Almost everyone have to consume deworming tablets once in 4 months. Deworming tablet. Deworming ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಮನ ಓಡಿಸೋದು. Deworming tablets once in 4 months. Andre all of us, not only people who are in village and all, everybody, because ನಾವು ಆಚೆ ತಿಂತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ರೈಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಹಸಿದೆ ತಿಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎವ್ರಿ 4 months ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಡಿವರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ನೈಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇರೋ ಬರೋ ಹುಳಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡಿವರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್? ಯಾ, ಬೆಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. This is right. Bendex you have to take. Jivika is right. Bendex ne ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Bendex 1 ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Not lose motion, remove the pathogens. You can write Bendex also. ಹೋಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂಥರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕೊಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. In college they had given hauda Kaveri, I didn't know you had some problem of stomach, Bendex kodtare actually. Okay, done. Written prevention ಹೇಳಿಗ first prevention ಹೇಗೆ prevent ಮಾಡೋದು? First thing is you educate children about this disease. What is the problem with the soil? ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಕಲಿತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕಲಿಯೋದಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಸೀನ್, ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್. Kids, they don't know what to eat. You should educate them. Most of the time I seen parents will say so easily that kids are not listening to them. Why? Because you have left them like that, right? Kids maat kelala andre one day kodbeko sari hogutte. Are you getting what I said? Children have to be trained. They don't have knowledge, right? First you write number 1, children must be educated about the disease. Children must be educated about the disease, and they must be guided to wash their hands. They must be guided to wash their hands before having food. Before having food. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ ಕೈ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ಕೈ ತೊಳಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಫೀಕಸ್ by underground sewage system. Underground sewage system ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಓಪನ್ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂನು ಓಪನ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಓಪನ್ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಹಂಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಹಂಗಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವು when you become adults think about all this. ನೀವು ಆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಒಂದೇ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೀವೇಜ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಸೀವೇಜ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ರಿವರ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ವೃಷಭಾವತಿ ಅಂತ ನದಿ ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತದೋ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಜನ ಗಲೀಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೀವೇಜ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾಲೆಜೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, written, what you are written? Disposal of human feces must be in underground sewage system. Next, wash thoroughly vegetables and fruits. ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Leelavati has written wash vegetables and fruits thoroughly, and if possible scrape the outer layer. If possible scrape the outer layer. Parents should be careful about children. Careful about children by avoiding them from consuming soil. By avoiding them from consuming soil. Parents ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. Okay, next. Patient must be given with the proper medicine. Patients must be given with the proper medicine. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬರೆದ್ರಾ? Now washing vegetables Harshita correct. In the salt water ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನೇ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೇಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಒಂದ್ ರೌಂಡ್. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ನೀನ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವು ಎಗ್ ಸತ್ತೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫುಲ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಲೇಯರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೇಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೇಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಯಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಹಸಿ ಹಸಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಮಳೆಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಗಲೀಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೇಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಯಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನಿ. That's it. Okay, next we talk about filariasis. Have you heard about filariasis? Elephant foot disease ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ? Elephant foot disease. Okay, good. Elephant foot disease is caused by filarial worm ಅಂತಾರೆ. Wuchereria bancrofti. Good. Okay, listen, just I'll explain you about that. Then we'll again come back. 131 members are there, suddenly they'll disappear. Let me see. 31, one fellow has gone already. So don't do that. Coming, going is not a good thing, right? 129, very good. We are reducing. 130 members, 130 maintain, 128. Okay, your wish. Okay, let's now talk about the second disease. That is about filarial worm. It is caused by Wuchereria bancrofti. Okay. So the disease is called as a filariasis. We call it as a filariasis. Or what we call it, it is also called as elephant foot disease or elephantiasis. Elephant foot disease or elephantiasis. Foot or elephant disease, elephantiasis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. The causal organism ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is Wuchereria bancrofti. WU. Wuchereria bancrofti. Okay, this is a causal organism. ಈಗ ಈ disease ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It is transmitted through a mosquito. Transmission is through the Culex mosquito. So wherever Culex mosquito infects, it inject ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬಂದು ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೀದಾ blood vessels ಇಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು it go to lymphatic glands. Okay, it will enter the lymph glands, lymph nodes and lymph glands. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ lymph glands will get swollen up. Normally ನಮಗೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ legs ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಹಿಂಗ್ legs ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is the foot. What we have, the foot ಇದೆ. Okay, ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಫುಟ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಂಫ್ ನೋಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವೆಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ವೋಲನ್ ಅಪ್, ಹಿಂಗ್ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಲಿಂಫಾಟಿಕ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವೆಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ದಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟಿಯಾಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟಿಯಾಸಿಸ್, ಲಿಂಫಾಟಿಕ್ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಗೊನಾಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಇಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ವೋಲನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಹಂಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರ ಅವರು. ಲಿಂಫಾಟಿಕ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವೆಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ದ nervous system also, in fluids also. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು more problematic disease transmitted through Culex mosquito, not our Anopheles mosquito. It's common in African area, but anyway some more areas also are there. I'll give you. Okay, do you understand the filariasis or elephantiasis? Elephantiasis ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀಲಿದೆ. elephant foot disease ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ elephantiasis ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. You get it? Normal leg ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. That's what is a major issue. Okay, right? Hearing elephantiasis, elephant foot disease ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, elephantiasis ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀಲಿ. Okay, this is foot ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗೊನಾಡ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬರೀ ಫುಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಇದನ್ನ elephantiasis ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, first heading elephantiasis. The second disease, not first one, second one. Right now, causal organism Wuchereria bancrofti. Wuchereria bancrofti, double R. ಇದು ಉಚೆರೇರಿಯಾ. 2 ಆರ್ಗಳಿಲ್ಲಿ, 1 ಆರು 2 ಆರು. ಉಚೆರೇರಿಯಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿ. ಬರೆದ್ರ ಉಚೆರೇರಿಯಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿ. Right on. Next, life history of the pathogen. Life history of the pathogen. The pathogen is a long thread-like body measuring around 40 to 80 millimeters. 40 to 80 millimeters. Right? 40 to 80 millimeters. Where do they live? Where do they live in our body? Body nalli. Let me see. Where do they live in our body? Lymph nodes and lymph glands. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Sumedha is right. Veena is right. Natishwar is right. Everyone is right. Good. Right on. They live in lymphatic vessels and lymphatic glands of human beings. Good. Right. Lymphatic nodes and lymphatic glands of human beings. Manushara lymphatic nodes with the lymphatic glands. Lymph electron blood vessel ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಸುತ್ತಾನೆ lymph nodes ಇರ್ತದೆ. Blood vessel ಒಂದೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Lymph nodes ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Lymphatic nodes and lymphatic glands of human body. The worm is viviparous. The worm is viviparous ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What do you mean by viviparous? Viviparous. V-I-V-I-P-A-R-O-U-S. What is viviparous? Meaning? That means it produces a young one. Right? Worm is viviparous. The female delivers the young. Okay. The female delivers the young worms called microfilariae. I write the thing on the board. The female produce the young ones called microfilariae. Microfilariae. ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಳಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? Microfilariae ಅಂತಾರೆ. Young ones will produce microfilariae. These microfilariae shift to deep blood vessels. Shift to deep blood vessels. Normally in lungs. Normally in lungs. Deep blood vessels in lungs. Okay. At night, the young ones migrate to the blood vessels beneath the skin. At night, the young ones migrate to the blood vessels underneath skin. Skin in a ಕೆಳಗಿನ blood vessels ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂತದೆ at night. And at this time they are sucked by Culex mosquito. And at this time they are sucked by Culex mosquito, which act as an intermediate host and the vector. Which acts as the intermediate host and the vector. Did you write a full sentence? At night, they enter the blood vessels beneath the skin, and they're sucked by the Culex mosquito. It acts as the intermediate host and the intermediate host and it is a vector. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ intermediate host and a vector. In this mosquito, they live for 10 days. In this mosquito, they live for 10 days. And they grow to their infective size. They grow to their infective size. Or larvae. Size or larvae. When such mosquito bites a healthy man, when such mosquito bites a healthy man, they enter into the blood because of the puncturing by mosquito. Because of the puncturing a hole by mosquito, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ತೂತು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Puncturing a hole by mosquito. From this blood, they enter into the lymphatic vessels and lymphatic glands. From this blood, they enter into the lymphatic glands and lymphatic vessels. In lymph glands, they grow up to 1 year. 1 year ತನಕ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ. They grow up to 1 year. And these worms can live for around 5 to 8 years. Can live around 5 to 8 years. Next, symptoms. Symptoms. During infection, the person get feverish, feel feverish, during prolonged infection, the worm blocks the lymph vessels and there is enormous enlargement. I am repeating, okay? So you write, during prolonged infection, worm blocks the lymphatic system or lymphatic vessels. Worm blocks the lymphatic vessels. Full stop. Lymphatic vessels are full stop. Next to write, this causes enormous swelling of the affected part. Like foot leg, testis and scrotum. Testis and scrotum. After the swelling, did you write it? After the swelling, the skin of affected area, get thickened and become hard. Skin of affected area get thickened and become hard. Thus, the name is given as elephantiasis. ಕಾಲ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ತರ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತದೆ, ಒಂಥರ ದಪ್ಪ ಚರ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಥಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟಿಯಾಸಿಸ್. ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ತರ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್, ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್. I repeated. Anything else? Aida, hard aida. Okay, next you write treatment. The disease can be treated with proper medication. The disease can be treated with proper medication. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ, we can go for treatment ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Proper medication. Okay. Next, prevention. How prevent ಮಾಡೋದು? How to prevent? Destroying the mosquito breeding areas. Destroying the mosquito breeding areas. I'm sorry, I'll drink water. ಬರದ್ರಾ? ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ನೆಟ್. ಕಾವೇರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬರೀ did you all change your ways of sleeping without mosquito net? All of you using mosquito net nowadays? We use it better. See, already 120, 130 whether people are reducing in number. You have which? Okay, fine. Yeah, you are all using. That's good. And tell all others also to use it. Man, can you repeat the first point? Which is first point, Prabha? I didn't understand. Which is first point? ಏನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲನಾ? ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? I didn't understand, Prabha. Samyak use mosquito net. ನೋಡಿ ಸಂಜಯ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೀಯ ಸಂಜಯ್? ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Destroy the mosquito breeding areas. Next ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, destroying the mosquito breeding areas. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೇನದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಮೆಶ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಇಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಡಂಪ್ ಯಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು? ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡು ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ರಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಆಗಿರೋನೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ನಾವಿನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Let us see what all we have to do. Okay, fine. Which all the chapters we have to do from transcend? ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗಲೇ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗಲೇ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಡೋಗ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 118 ಆದ್ರು ಜನಗಳು. I don't understand why you are fluctuating in numbers. Onesati 130, onesati 120, 10 members. Where they go, I don't know. Whether they come for entertainment. Okay. Which chapters should let me know? First, let me see how many of you are saying which chapters I have to do now. Ma'am, from the principles of inheritance, pedigree, molecular basis, ella madbekamma. Prakriti, everything we should do. Ma'am, munche madililva, videos alli madidde alva. Principles, basis of inheritance, Mendelian inheritance madidvalva. Only pedigree madidva. Arey yaar, Gauri, I have not done it. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸುಮಾರು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಮೆಂಡೆಲ್. Have we done it? Will we do it? Okay. No, Rumana, we are not done now. But some are saying yes. You explained not pedigree. You did not. Only pedigree madbeka Prakriti. Other things we are done. Okay, done. So we'll do. ಇವತ್ತು ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಒಂದ್ 2-3 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಫುಲ್ ಬರೀ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. Next we'll talk about the ringworms. Ringworms, ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಏನ್ ringworms ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ringworms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ? ರಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ringworms ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Have you heard about ringworms? Yeah, heard. Okay, ma'am, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? Okay, ringworms ಎಲ್ಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ? How is the worm? Ringworm ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Okay, listen. Let me explain you what is ringworm. Okay, keep observing the word now. I'll just explain you. Okay, ringworm. People think that it's a worm. It's not a worm actually. Ringworm and it's a fungal disease. Okay, fungus one infection agutte. So I'm talking about the ringworm. Ringworm is caused by the fungi called Trichophyton, Epidemophyton. Okay, these are the two fungi I'm talking about. This people think that there is some infection by some pathogen. If this pathogen is actually a fungus, and another one is Microsporum. These are all fungi. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫಂಗಸ್ ಗಳಿವು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ತರ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬೆವರು ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊಂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆವರು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ ನೆಕ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಬಾಡಿ ಇದು. ಈ ನೆಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಒಂಥರ ಪ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಏರಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸೊಂಟದಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಈ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಫೇಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಮ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಮ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಯಾರು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಂತಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊಂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಈ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತೊಳಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಪ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಪೌಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಬೆವರು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? That's about the name of the pathogen. Do you remember the pathogen? Trichophyton, trichoderma, trichophyton. Yes, sir. Okay, write down ringworm. It is a common fungal infection in humans. It's a common fungal infection in humans. And the causal organisms are causal organisms are bad ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವನ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಟ್ರೈಕೋಫೈಟಾನ್ ಎಪಿಡೆರ್ಮೋಫೈಟಾನ್ ಡರ್ಮೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮೋಫೈಟಾನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಪೋರಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟ್ರೈಕೋಡರ್ಮಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈಕೋಫೈಟಾನ್ okay microsporum symptoms major symptoms of ringworm are appearance of dry scaly lesions, dry scaly lesions, normally below the neck area, in the lower abdomen, nails ಕೆಲವೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ nails ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ nails ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದೆ nails ಉಗುರು ಸುತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇನೆ. nails ಹಿಂಗ್ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? nails ಹಿಂಗಿರಲ್ಲ, nails ಇದು nails ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ nails ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹಿಂಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಗುಂಡ್ ಗುಂಡಾಗಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ರೌಂಡ್ nails ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ಮ್ಪಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಂಜೆ, ಆರ್ಮ್ಪಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's in the nails, skin and scalp. Scalp ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಒಂಥರದ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನೇ, ಫಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ತಲೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಫಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಂಗಲ್ ಮೈಸೀಲಿಯಂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉದುರುತ್ತೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಪ್. The symptoms include itching. Fungi multiplies at slightly warm and moist areas in the body. Like armpits and groin. Groin में थोड़े संधिಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. Armpits ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಗ್ಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು groin. Groin में थोड़े ಸಂಧಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Armpits and groin. And between the toes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸದವ್ರಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ವೈಟ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳೆಯೋರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕೈ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ. ಇಂತಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂತಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂಥರ ವೈಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೌಡರ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉದುರುತ್ತೆ ಕೈಯಿಂದ. Have you observed some people? I repeat, wait. Have you seen this? ಫಂಗಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸದವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳೆಯೋರ್ಗೆ. I repeat. Fungus multiplies in the warm and moist places. I am repeating. Moist and warm and moist places like armpits, and groin, Groin, groin in the Todesandi. Groin. And between the fingers, illi. E parts will multiply agate. Between the fingers, illi multiply agate. Have you seen people? Yeah, Pavitra is saying yes, ma'am. Nodi, adge nimale kalsa madodilla nodi. Yes, ma'am. I had suffered it in childhood. Subhash, really? I didn't know. Tumba neeru agate. Those who work in water more, they will get it. Okay, got it. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ಕೆಲಸದವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅವಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಂಟಿ ಫಂಗಲ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ವಾಚ್ ದೆಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ನೀವು ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀರ ಅದು ಫಂಗಸ್ ಸೊ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇರ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ and in turn you are caring yourself alva avun care madidre nave care madkondange irutte idu modes of transmission right side reading modes of transmission the fungal spores transmit from infected to a healthy person by sharing cloths and towels. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟವೆಲ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ನೀನ್ ತಗೋಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೀನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡು normally I've seen some girls also they will be exchanging dresses which are the same size and all. Have you done any time? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೊಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್ exchanging the towels and cloths. Have you done this? Especially hostel. Yeah, correct, Subhash. Hostel it will multiply more. Boys hostel is just ladies will not exchange anything in the hostels. See, they'll be very clean. They don't even allow other people to enter their room. But if you think of boys, they are very bindas people. Okay, you also come, you take my dress, you take this, you can use my inner wears also, they will exchange. Avoid that. Right? Hostels. Yeah, I know hostels. Towels and all, they will exchange very much. Even the shirts and all, they will use. Sometimes inner wears and all, you should never do exchanging of such things. It's very ganda, actually very bad. You maintain your own dresses and clothes. Subhash is saying, what about girls? You are not saying anything. Anything you exchange with your sisters and others? Don't do that. Romana is saying no. But I see a lot of girls will do that. No, ma'am, is for the sake of saying or what? We used to do. My sisters and all, we were wearing the same size. Or dress code. We used to do it. We like some dresses and we say, give me for the party, no, and all this. Good, yeah. All girls are saying no. Rarely we exchange, ma'am. Okay, no, ma'am. I need a sister. Okay, good. Not only sisters, your friends also will ask you once. They say, ಜನರಿಗೆ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ನೆನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Does it? Okay. It's okay. You are not exchanging normally, but normally they do it. Okay. Then one more thing, right? One more last one, right? The fungus can even spread by sharing the comb. Right on. Comb ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ತಲೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಬಾಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The fungus can enter by even sharing the comb. Okay, Jeevika is saying her sister will do it when she is not home at home. Okay, good. Tell her this. If you people are clean and all, don't worry. It's okay. It's a sharing, love and affection is fine. But if it is sharing happens with unknown people, is very dangerous actually. Numbers are reducing. People are running away. Maybe they are bored of the subject. Very bad it is. See, suddenly the number is reducing. 130 over 113 ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I don't know. Some of you people are not caring. I think ನಾನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಓಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ತೆಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. People are very careless about subject, right? Right, next one. Did you write last sentence that by sharing the whom also the disease will transmit? Okay. Next, extra information, right? For need you write. Chikungunya. Chikungunya, you write. Many are escaping. I don't understand why. Most of them are from boys from Oxford. New Oxford, Carmel students are going. I'm watching here. Oxford alle 1, 2, 3, 4 ಜನ 5 ಜನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Earlier there were so many. It's not good for you only. Okay? You must take in the last. Anyway, ನನಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next, you write chikungunya. Written heading. Write some points, then we'll discuss. What about shoes and slippers? Ayo, bevoor baravante adu exchange ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Shoes, socks and all you should not exchange. Because shoes and socks also their fingertips, no toes will be having infection. Don't take their socks, heels and all. Never exchange anything. Yeah. Be yourself. Attaita. Done. Next. Next time brother chikungunya. 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 I hope you all know this. What is the causal organism? ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ chikungunya ಎಲ್ಲ already. Chikungunya ಮತ್ತೆ dengue fever ಬರ್ದಿದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, good then. You are written very well. Okay, fine then. So now at the end you write preventive measures to avoid the communicable diseases. What is the preventive measures? Write some more because ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Preventive measures to avoid the ಎಲ್ಲ diseases ಮುಗೀತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. Okay? Preventive measures to avoid the communicable disease. First one, education. Number 1. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ people ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆಚೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬರೀರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿ. Preventive measures. First one, education. People must be educated about the communicable diseases and how to protect them. ನೀವು ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಹೋಗಿರಿ, ಓಡಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಎಜುಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. Right, children want to go play, tell them what is wrong with this. Okay, write down. Written all of you. What did you write? Educate the people about the communicable diseases and how to protect them. Second one, isolation. Written isolation. Isolation now always separate ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Disease ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಊರು ತುಂಬಾ ಓಡಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Did you get it? Quarantine, correct? ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಅವ್ನ ರೂಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಂಜಯ್, ನಿಮ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐಸೋಲೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆಗಡಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಊರು ತುಂಬಾ ಓಡಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಬ್ಬಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ನೀನೇ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಹಾಕೋಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಕಿಟಕಿಯಿಂದ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ಗೆ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸಂಧಿಯಿಂದ ಊಟ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. That's how you have to isolate. Quarantine is the whole house is quarantine. That's different. Okay? Right, and isolation. A person suffering from infection must be separated from the other people in the house. That is isolation from the other people. Next, vaccination. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಕರೋನಾಗೆ ಬಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ people must get resistance against disease by vaccinating. Mainly the epidemics like typhoid, cholera, TB, etc. Typhoid, cholera, and TB, etc. Did you write? Let me see the last sentence. What are last sentence? Very last sentence. Very rare. Are you writing yet? ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಐಸೋಲೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ I'll wait for you. Write it and show me. That is Prakriti. Sanjay, write it. Quarantine ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ ಬರೀ ನೋಡೋಣ Sanjay, people must get resistance against disease by vaccinating Ridya, by vaccinating themselves against typhoid, cholera, TB. Prakriti has written. Sanjay, hello there. ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿನೂ ಬರ್ತೋರ್ಸಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕ ಹಿಂಗ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀಯ ನೀನು ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರೀ ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗೇ ಬರೀ ನೋಡೋಣ ನಾನೇನು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀಯ ನೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋದ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿನೂ ಬರ್ತೋರ್ಸಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾನು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಥೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ Samyak is still there or not? Yeah, many girls are writing. Whether boys get on it. Samyak is not at all seen there. Samyak, people must get resistance by vaccination from namely epidemics like cholera, TB. Very good. Samyak idane. Very good. मैं ಒಬ್ಬರ ಗೆ ಕರೆದು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ I think Nisarga and all were roaming around in the college only when classes are happening. Now I think, but still they are working. So Nisarga ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಸರ್ಗನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಓಕೆ ನಿಸರ್ಗ ನಿನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅವಳೆಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ತಾನೆ ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ಓಕೆ ಸಂಜಯ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಪಿಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾಳಂತಾನೆ not there ಸಂಜಯ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಸರ್ಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ maybe she is there ma'am ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ okay next sanitation fourth type fourth number okay good Shweta is written fourth number garbage polluted water and food waste garbage polluted water and food waste are the major source for the pathogens these must be disposed properly disposed properly ನಿಮ್ಮನೆಲ್ಲ ವೆಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪೃಥ್ವಿ ಗೌಡ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್ Shweta has written. Good. Already number has become 109 now. 30 members are gone almost. I don't understand. I don't know. You are lost interest or something. Exam ಬಂದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವೇ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ತನಕ ಒಬ್ಬನು ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲಿಂದ. That's how you should be here. You should be sincere for yourself. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮಂತರ ಓಡಾಡೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. 10ರಿಂದ 30 ವರ್ಷದವರೆಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಈಗ ಕೊರೋನಾ. ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಕೇರ್ಲೆಸ್ ನನಗೆಂತ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Careful about this. Listen properly. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. 108 ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ದ್ರಾ? Personal hygiene must be practiced. Personal hygiene must be practiced by cleaning the body. Cleaning the body. Taking bath twice in a day. Taking bath twice in a day. Come on. Drinking clean water. Clean drinking water. I repeat. Personal hygiene must be maintained by cleaning the body, by taking bath twice in a day. By taking bath twice in a day. Next, by drinking clean water. And using vegetables after properly cleaning them. Covering the food. Yeah, drinking hot water is always better. Correct, Lakshmi. Covering the prepared food. ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Next, one more thing, right? Pubic hygiene has to be maintained. Pubic hygiene ಅಂದ್ರೆ reproductive parts hygiene. Clean ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. Menstruation cycle ಆದಾಗ time to time pad change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Clean ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Soap ಹಚ್ಚಿ ತೊಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Pubic hygiene. Has to be maintained. Next, in case of airborne diseases ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವು pneumonia. In case of airborne diseases like pneumonia, common cold, TB and corona, airborne disease ಇವೆಲ್ಲ and TB and corona, additional protective measures have to be taken. Like avoiding close contact with infected person. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೂತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Should not talk to them very closely. Avoiding close contact with the infected person. Using the masks to close the nose and mouth. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Mask, using the mask and avoid using the belongings of infected person. Belongings of infected person, ಊಟ ತಟ್ಟೆ or use ಮಾಡಿದ ಪೆನ್ನು ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರೀರಿ. avoid using the belongings of the infected person. Next one, eradication of vectors. Fifth one, eradication of vectors. Major vectors like housefly and mosquito must be eradicated. Housefly and mosquito must be eradicated by suitable methods. By first one, avoiding the stagnant water around the residential area. Avoiding the stagnant water around the residential area. Second one, regular cleaning of the water coolers and the water tanks. Water coolers and water tanks. Next, use of mosquito nets. Use of mosquito nets. Next, using the fish like gambusia in ponds and tanks. Okay then, so that we are finished with this. Now we will start off the yadu transcend. Ella transcend ide alva. So I repeat, as she is asking, introducing the fish like gambusia in water ponds. Gambusia, Gambusia, gambusia in water ponds. Aita Nisarga, written. Good Nisarga. See, adara last point tankanu barita iddirella ade question andi. Very good. ಬರೀತಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಡಾಡೋರು ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 130 ಬಂದು 105 ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಯೋಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀರಿ ಸುಭಾಷ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನಾಳೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂದೆ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಒಂದು 10 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು immunity chapter. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ನಾಳೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ be safe and spread the knowledge. Tell other people not to do any nonsense, because disease spreading like anything. Corona. Be clean, be hygienic. Okay, enjoy the day. For the rest of the day, have a nice day. Bye bye dear people. Thank you all of you. Thanks.